रास्ते लंबे हैं, मंजिल दूर है, मगर हर पल जीना ही सफ़र का नूर है। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्लूटो, नए सफ़र और नए कहानियों की खोज में, जिसे आप आस्था भी कह सकते हैं। तो क्या आप इस सफ़र में डॉक्टर प्लूटो के साथ फिर से जुड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं? मैं इस बार लेकर आई हूं बी हैप्पी इन द नाउ बाय एयर का चैप्टर 3। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और कहते हैं ना, हर किताब एक सफ़र है और हर सफ़र एक कहानी। तो सफ़र अभी जारी है, तो हाँ, भागे नहीं, जुड़े रहें। चैप्टर 3, वाई लिव इन टुमारोज फियर? टुमारो नेवर कम्स, दे से, then why those imaginary bills should I pay? Let me live in the now with peace. Whatever the future unfolds, it will pass with ease. We all fear tomorrow. Every human being live in today but thinks of tomorrow. There are both hopes and fear about the future. While hopes may be considered positive, there is always a fear of our hopes being dashed. And above that, there are larger fears that dominate our mind. What is fear? It is fear, false expectations appearing real. There is actually no danger, just an imaginary fear. But we human beings have made it a habit to live with fear. Our mind is programmed such that the false expectations appear to be real. What is the fact? The truth is there may be no danger. Think about it, how many of your fear actually came true? Very few. Unfortunately, we human beings lose the present moment of joy living with the fear of the future. Tomorrow never comes. Have not you heard that before? Some people wonder how that is possible. Have you ever lived in tomorrow? Yes, only in your dreams. Tomorrow can come only a today when it arrives. In reality, there is no tomorrow. Unfortunately, while there is no tomorrow, we live in constant fear of it. I may fall sick, I may die, I may go bankrupt, I may lose the love of my life. These are amongst of thousands of fears that steal our happiness. When tomorrow has not yet come, when it has not yet become today, then why worry about it? Why should we even think of it? We should learn to cross the bridge when we came to it. When tomorrow comes, we will must believe that we shall have enough strength to face it. Has there ever been a day in your life which killed you? Of course not. You being alive is proof of that. Why fear? There was once a person who went to a new town and took up a new job. Every day when he would get off the bus to go to his new home, a bulldog would chase him and he would run all the way to his house because bulldog was so fierce. And every day this ritual continued. He kept on and on, running day after day, until one day somebody told him, "You know fear. Fear. It's false expectations appearing real. Face your fear." So the next day when the bulldog was chasing him, he turned around and attacked to the bulldog. When the bulldog jumped at him, opening its mouth, he saw the bulldog had no teeth. Then he chased the bulldog because he realized he had been living in fear. But most of us live in fear, don't we? We fear tomorrow, but tomorrow doesn't exist. Why are worrying about something that is not yet born? Our tomorrow is like a bulldog which has no teeth, but because we don't realize the truth, we live in fear. All the time we worry about tomorrow. We are worrying about what might happen, and this is ignorance that makes us feel in misery and sorrow. A few of us are lucky to realize the fact of fear is like a life-size replica of a crocodile. It is not a real danger. It anticipates a danger and destroys our happiness. In reality, fears are just illusions. They are like a mirage in the desert. You are in the train and suddenly you fear that your train is moving and your partner is outside. Actually, your train did not move. It was the train that was beside you that moved. But for a moment, you jumped up in fear. We human beings let fears destroy our happiness, be it fear of the night, of darkness or death. Fear is a joy stealer and it makes us live in the future. Why not live in today? We must develop the habit of not living in tomorrow. This is the best way to destroy fear. Imagination creates misery. What makes us miserable? The gift of imagination has the power to make us creative just as it makes us miserable. If we control our sixth sense and live in the moment, we can use the power of superconscious to inspire creativity, telepathy, hunches, and creative ideas to succeed. However, if we let our imagination wander with worry into tomorrow, it can imagine great misery. It can be dream of unbearable dangers that could destroy us. It can imagine a sickness, an accident, or even a devastating fire. Such is the power of imagination. But this negative imagination does not exist in the present moment. Try living in the now and you will find that imagination is controlled with creativity. We must destroy the habit of living in tomorrow to escape from the misery that negative imagination can create. Live in this moment. Do you truly want to be happy? Then resolve to live in the now. Today is beautiful and now is amazing. Enjoy it. Why drift into tomorrow's miseries? If you really want to be happy, then resolve to live in the present moment. The present is a gift. That is why it is called the present. Don't lose it by living in the tomorrow. Don't lose it by living in a tomorrow that doesn't exist. Catch hold of your rascal mind that pulls you into the illusion called tomorrow. Be happy moment by moment. If you really want to be happy, you can. It's easy. Just be happy now. Is that difficult? Of course not. Then repeat this simple secret of happiness. Again, be happy now. You will find it is easy. Being happy moment by moment is not so difficult. When you try to be happy in yesterday's memories and try to live in tomorrow's hopes and fears, you fall into a deep gorge of misery. Don't live in tomorrow. Live in today, live in now, and you will experience joy. If tomorrow was real, then I could go there. But even if I search, I can't find it anywhere. Then why should I worry about the morrow I think? Being anxious, being worried, why should I blink? Summary of Chapter 3. Why live in tomorrow's fear? Point number 1. Unfortunately, while there is no tomorrow, we live in constant fear of it. Point number 2. When tomorrow has not yet come, then why worry about it? Point number 3. When tomorrow comes, we must believe that we shall have the strength to face it. Point number 4. Only a few are lucky to realize that fear is an illusion. Fear is a joy seeker and it lives in the future. Point number 5. We must destroy the habit of living in tomorrow to escape from misery that negative imagination can create. Point number 6. The present is a gift. We should not lose it by living in a tomorrow that doesn't exist. Point number 7. If you really want to be happy, it's easy. Just be happy now. I am repeating again. Just be happy now. और इसी के साथ हमारा चैप्टर 3 समाप्त होता है. हम फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक डॉक्टर प्लूटो के साथ बने रहने के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट में हमें अपनी राय ज़रूर बताएं. धन्यवाद. जय महाकाल.